A very good morning to you all, my dear kids. So, this is EVS class, isn't it? So, last week what we learned? I taught you the chapter 4. What's the name of the chapter? Protection of food, isn't it? In that, we learned the need to keep food covered and then keeping food safe, then preservation of food. In that preservation, what we learned? What are the steps? Refrigeration and then boiling, isn't it? So these are the things we learned under the topic protection of food. So today we are going to see the exercise part. Okay, my dear kids. So all of you take your EVS textbook, pencil, erasers, everything. Take it fast. Now you take page number 61. Make it fast, my dear kids. So today we are going to see the exercise parts of protection of food. And the first heading is choose the correct answer and you have to fill in the blanks. Okay. So first question, we should always keep water and food open or covered. Very good. Covered, isn't it? So open means the food will have more dust and insect germs. It will be present in the food, isn't it? So we have to keep covered the food and water always in order to reduce the dust and the insects and bacteria. Okay, my dear kids. So we should always keep water and food covered. So what's the answer? Covered. Next question. Food kept open may contain cream or germs. Yes, germs. Very good. So if you are keeping our food in an open place, the food may contain germs. Third question. Food should be stored in airtight or broken containers. Food should be stored in airtight or broken containers. Last week I have explained. Airtight, isn't it? And the fourth question. Most of us store food in the refrigerator or bags. Refrigerators. Very good. Refrigerators. Dash kills germs in water and milk, boiling or cooling. Yes, boiling, isn't it? So boiling, it will kill germs. So what is boiling? It means heating liquids till bubbles are formed and then turn to steam. Okay, so this boiling kills germs. Okay, my dear kids. So the first answer is covered. Second one is germs. Third one is airtight. Fourth one is a refrigerator. And the fifth one is boiling. Did you all complete? Shall I move to match the following? Yes. See, match the following. So first is washing hands. When you have to wash your hands before and after eating, isn't it? So before eating. So you connect washing hands with before eating. Snacks. We have to keep our snacks in airtight containers. Water in a clean vessel. Refrigeration means it's a way to preserve the food, isn't it? So refrigeration, way to preserve food. Insects means it will settle in uncovered food. So washing hands before eating. Snacks, airtight containers. Water, clean vessels. Refrigeration, way to preserve food. Insects, uncovered food. Maybe you will feel confused, so I am writing here, okay? So washing hands before eating. A. Snacks, airtight containers, water, clean vessels, refrigeration, way to preserve food, insects, uncovered food. Shall I move to next one? Yes. So true or false? Dust settles on covered food. Is it true or false? Yes, false, because dust will settle only on uncovered food, isn't it? So only we have to cover the food. Utensils should be washed before cooking. Yes, maybe in the utensils it carries dust. So before cooking we have to wash our utensils. What is meant by utensils? Like plates, cups, the things, the vessels which is used for cooking. That is said as utensils, okay? We should use dirty water to prepare food. No, we have to use clean water for preparing the food. Okay? So first 3, did you complete? All of you take page number 62. Refrigeration is the most popular form of food preservation. Yes. Water should be boiled before drinking. Yes, it will kill the germs, isn't it? So it's true. Then shall we move to the answer the following? What's the first question? What will happen if we eat uncovered food? So if we eat uncovered food, we become ill, isn't it? If we eat uncovered food, we become ill. Ill means we will be attacked by some diseases, okay? We become ill. If we eat uncovered food, we become ill. Completed? Yes. Write any one step we can follow to keep food clean. So, use clean water for preparing food. Right? So, any points you can write, okay? But I chose use clean water for preparing food. Use clean water for preparing food. Use clean water for preparing food. Completed? Yes. Third question. What is food preservation? So you have to write the definition. Food preservation means it's a process in which the food items are kept fresh for a longer period of time, isn't it? So food preservation is a process by which food items are kept fresh for a longer period of time. Longer period of time. So food preservation is a process by which food items are kept fresh for a longer period of time. Food preservation is a process by which food items are kept fresh for a longer period of time. Okay. Why does food stored in a refrigerator stay fresh for a longer period of time, right? Why does food stored in a refrigerator stay fresh for a long period of time? Why? Because germs cannot grow in cold places. Okay, because germs it cannot grow in cold places. So only food stored in a refrigerator stay fresh for a long time. So what's the answer? Germs cannot grow in cold places. Germs cannot grow in cold places. And the final question is, what is boiling? Boiling means heating liquids. Heating liquids till bubbles are formed. And turn to steam. Turn to steam. So boiling means heating liquids till bubbles are formed and turn to steam. Boiling means heating liquids till bubbles are formed and turn to steam. Okay. Hope you all completed this chapter and keep learning. Okay, my dear kids. The next week we can see a new chapter. So shall I wind up the class? Hope you all completed, isn't it? Yes, you all very good children. So you completed everything. So you keep learning this and keep reading the whole chapter. Okay, my dear kids. So we can see in the next class. Bye-bye. Take care. Bye-bye, children.